Hey guys, it's Alexiana. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do individual seamless twists. I believe that's how you say it, seamless twist. It's the ones that come in a package that is already twisted. I insert a picture here of the package that I used. This is actually my first time doing it, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So I was like, this is not a tutorial. This is just a DIY. Let's do it together, see if you can get it done. So I already have my hair twisted. I twisted them all. And it's really, I put rubber bands on each one. And it's like that, just all over. I feel like I didn't put enough in the back though. Like, you know, you can't really see the back of your head when you're doing it, so it's like very few back there compared to the front, but hopefully it'll be okay. I don't know what I'm doing, just experimenting. This is not a tutorial. All right, so I have this crochet needle, and I guess I'll start in the back. I should start in the front so I can see what I'm doing. All right, let me put them up. Put them up. Okay. Good enough. Okay. Oh, that's tight. All right. Once again, I don't know what I'm doing. I hope y'all can see because I'm sitting in front of the window and this light is like super bright. So, bear with me. We're learning this together. I watched a few videos on it and hopefully it works. My rubber band keep popping. That's probably the only thing that about this hairstyle that I'm not gonna like is the rubber band pops, and I've had to always go back and put the rubber band in. So I'm gonna take one of these with this and I'm gonna stick it through, and I have a little thing here, and then it's like an opening where you can open it and then just hook it on your little needle. Did I hook it right? And then you're just, oh, this hurts. Pull it back through, and then you see it's through, and you go back and forth like that. Okay. And you're gonna take the hole and you're gonna put it through the little loop thingy. And I tighten it, I pull my hair with the thing and just pull it tight. And there it is, one little thing in, but we're not done. We're not done. Okay, so this is the part where I'm not sure about. One girl, I saw her do it where she took it and she opened it and she pulled her hair through. Does that look right? I don't know. Let's keep going. And y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. And I guess we'll pull it back through the same one or the next one. Can y'all see? And then take this one and put it through this one. If I can get it to come through. Okay. And I'll stick it through this one. Alright. Y'all, I just pulled it back out the same one. This is gonna be all day. All day. Okay, so let's put it back through this one. And it's like it's getting tangled in the little thingies. I wasn't trying to get it to come all the way down. Okay. Which one needs to go back through this? I don't know. Or this one. That was the same one I put it through. Let's put it through this one. Okay. And we can put it through this one. Can y'all see my hair? Is it hidden? I think I did some. Kinda, maybe. Can y'all? I know you can see it right here, but like, I feel like the other ones would cover it. One down. So many more to go. Okay, but yeah, I didn't show y'all my hair. Well, y'all can see this one, but I have these here. I don't know what length it is. I don't remember. I used these before. I got them crocheted in, where you braid your hair back to the back and then crochet it in, but I don't like it like that because I like to put some up and leave some down. But it's like hard to do it like that when you have it crocheted, because once you put them all in the ponytail, you can see your braids. So I'm gonna just try to continue to do it like this. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it doesn't take like 3 hours. Hopefully I can get done like an hour and a half. I think the only part that's gonna slow me down is when I have to put my hair through the little twist. Other than that, it's already cute. Like, it look like it's done, but it's not. I have literally one in, and I'm just like, oh, I'm ready to be done already, and I just started. It is 3:03 p.m. We're gonna find out when I get done, and I have to go somewhere. So I don't know if it's a good idea to actually like start this knowing I have to be somewhere. I'ma just, I don't know. I'll probably do around my hair and then leave the outside, no, the inside not done, then put it in a ponytail, and then we work from there. Or I don't know, we'll figure something out. But once again, I put it through the little thingy, put my fingers through the hole in the hair, and then I take my crochet needle and I put it. And as you can see, I have rubber bands too. You can't really see it. I can't really. It gets stuck on everything. But yeah, you pull it. And when I put my when I put the rubber bands on my hair like this, I didn't put it at the very root so where it's tight. I left a little room so I can like actually stick it through and the hair can come through smoothly. So let's try to do this one. Hopefully it cooperates. Alright, and then you just pull it. Okay, that one went through so smooth. The other one pulled my hair and it was hurting. Alright. And then get your hair and just tighten it. Too done. Okay, well, not once again, not done, but oh. Yeah, this is the only part I don't like. And it's like, it's kind of tangly, like, probably because I used this before. It's like not smooth. Like, I can't just stick my hand through the twist because it's like tangles. But you just feed it through each one. Feed it through. Y'all got so many bumps on my face, it's ridiculous. Like, I got them all here and here and here and here and here and here and all right there and all right there and there. I don't know what's going on. Like, what's going on with me? All right, and you stick it here. Okay, you stick it back through here and then back through this one. Can I leave this out or do I need to? But you can see my brown. You can see my brown. Does that look bad? That looks bad. What in the world? Okay, that's the only thing about my hair. I have brown tips, ends, and you can see the brown on there. Two done. Okay, so We're gonna speed up the process. Keep it going. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Wish I was done all the way. I'm tired. I'm so tired. So tired. We got all done. It took me like 10 minutes to do 4 braids. I don't know how many I have. We'll count when I finish and we'll see. Okay, so I've been trying to hide my brown, but it's hard and it's pretty impossible. But I did all the back and I just have the front. But it's like these two right here. Hold on, let me take it out. I tied it up with one of these. Okay, so you can kind of see I did them a few. Well, the back. And it's like you can see my brown. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but there's nothing I can do about it. But you see how this one, I'm gonna have to redo this one because you can see the rubber band on this side and you can see it right here. So I'm gonna have to redo those two. Ooh. But I did the back. But yeah, if you couldn't see the rubber band, I would leave it, but you can actually like see it. Those are the only two that's like that, like all the other ones will. Well, yeah, those are only two. I have to put another rubber there because it popped. But yeah, I'm going to redo those. But I'm going to go ahead and do the front. Oh. Look at that. Clippy clip. So I can tie my hair out the way. Okay. Wish I was done. Let's start down here with put the rubber band back on this one. Hopefully that was just an old rubber band that I used. That's the reason why I popped, hopefully. Because I don't have time for these popping and I have to take them down and redo them and put rubber bands back all over them. I feel like it's going to take a long time. Well, not a long time, but what if I'm like getting ready to go and the rubber band pop? I gotta stop what I'm doing and put the rubber band back on. Like take the whole thing down and put the rubber band back on. But hopefully that doesn't happen. But now that I'm thinking about it, where's my thing? Lost it. What the heck? I hate when I lose stuff. Okay, so we put that through there, and we hook it all like that. Close it, and wait, got stuck. Okay, and this is why I put it in a ponytail. I'm gonna have to put it back. Oh, okay. Back in a ponytail, because it's getting stuck. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. And then you take the long part and you put it through this. And you grab your hair and grab this and pull. Okay. So, with the other side, the rubber band was in the front. Like, you see how the rubber bands are in the front? Like, for these two, you can see the rubber band right there, clear as day. So, maybe if I go behind it and put it through first, like that. And then loop it back like this. But then you can see that. Oh, I don't know. You have to. Okay, this one is. Can you really see that? Does it look bad? I don't know. Let's keep going and just see. Okay. And put that through this one. Right. Okay, this is like very time consuming too. Very time consuming. So I'm done. Glad I'm done. It took forever. Like literally, it took me. We started at 3:03 and now it is 5:07. You can see some brown pieces here and there, but overall, I think I did a pretty good job. Thanks for watching my videos.